is meant by approved accounting standards in Malaysia. So I will be explain about approved accounting standards in Malaysia. Approved accounting standards means the guidelines for prepare of financial statement for companies in Malaysia should follow. Company registered in Malaysia are required to prepare statutory financial statements in accordance with the approved accounting standard issues the Malaysia Accounting Standards Board (MASB). So, MASB has three sets of approved accounting standards. The first one is Malaysian Financial Reporting Standards (MFRS). The Malaysian Financial Reporting Standards (MFRS) are the accounting standards used in Malaysia to prepare and present financial statements. These standards are issued by the Malaysian Accounting Standards Board (MASB), which is responsible for regulating and overseeing accounting and financial reporting in Malaysia. And the second one is Private Entity Reporting Standards (PERS). Private Entity Reporting Standards (PERS) refer to a set of simplified accounting and financial reporting frameworks designed specifically for private entity, typically small and medium-sized enterprise (SME) or non-publicly accountable company. These standards are intended to reduce the complexity and cost of financial reporting compared to full financial reporting frameworks used by larger publicly listed entities. And the third one is how PRS become MPRS. So before PRS become MPERS, the transaction is entity transitioning to MPERS from the previous set of standards in Malaysia, such as the Private Entity Reporting Standards or PERS, are required to apply certain transition provisions which are designed to make the shift smoother without requiring extensive retrospective adjustment. And the last one is Malaysia Private Entity Reporting Standards (MPERS). Malaysia Private Entity Reporting Standards (MPERS) refer to a set of accounting standards specifically designed for private entities in Malaysia, introduced by the Malaysian Accounting Standard Board (MASB). These standards are tailored to meet the financial reporting needs of private business, distinguishing them from the more complex requirement of public companies.
What is conceptual framework? The conceptual framework is a guideline issued by Malaysian Accounting Standard Board (MASB) in November 2011. It is applicable for the preparation and presentation of financial statement in accordance with Malaysian Financial Reporting Standard (MFRS) for the stakeholder. The first purpose of conceptual framework assists the MASB in the development of future MFRSs or FRSSs and in its review of existing MFRSs or FRSS. The second purpose of conceptual framework is to assist auditors in forming an opinion on whether financial statement is compliant with MFRSs or FRS. The purpose of conceptual framework is to assist preparer of financial statement in applying MFRSs, FRSS, and in dealing with topics that have yet to form the subject of a MFRSs or FRSS to assist user of financial statement in interpreting the information contained in financial statement prepared in compliance with MRSSS or FRSSS. The fourth purpose of conceptual framework is to provide those who are interested in the work of the MASP with information about its approach to the formulation of MRSS or FRSS.
Good afternoon, Miss Elizabeth. I'm interested in purchasing perfume from your company. Can you tell me more about the available options and pricing?
Good afternoon. Of course. Could you let me know specific fragrance you're looking for? We offer a variety of options, and I will be happy to provide pricing based on your need.
Alright, Miss Elizabeth. I'll email you the enquiry later.
The next day.
Felicia, we need to prepare a quotation for Selene for the product that she chose. The prices need to be clear so she can make a quick decision.
Right. We'll list the standard price for each unit. Don't forget to include the shipping cost as well.
Agreed. I will finalize the quotation and send it to Selene immediately.
Several days later. One week later.
Miss Elizabeth, this is the purchase order I've created based on quotation you provide. So we are starting with 40 units with different fragrance. Please proceed it as fast as you can.
Thank you, Celine. We will start processing your order from today. The stock will be shipped within a day.
Hello, Miss Elizabeth. The perfume for Selene are ready for shipment. We will be sending 40 units perfume as ordered. I will include the delivery note for the shipment.
Thanks, Travisya. Please make sure the delivery note is complete so that we can easily check when the stock is arrived.
Much later.
Miss Elizabeth,
Hi, Celine. What's bring you here?
I've made full payment for 40 units perfume that ordered, so this is the payment voucher.
The payment has been confirmed, and this is the original copy of official receipt for your gift, and this is mine, the copy of official receipt. Thank you so much, Celine, for purchasing fragrance from my company.
At 4 December 2024, Debtor Selene Tan Lee Xing paid for the sale she bought by check with the total amount 1,250 ringgit. This will be recorded in the cash book on the debit side. On 4 December 2024, Debtor Selene Tan Lee Xing has received official receipt amounting Rm 1,250 ringgit. This will be recorded in the cash book on the debit side.